Batch every 4.4 minutes. Sinyoung's 5 tons per hour line in Africa hits 6.2 tons per hour. After Plant 4 of Mainland Group beat design by approximately 20%. Plant 5 sets a new high. Designed at 5 tons per hour, now averaging 6.2 tons per hour. 2-stage creping granulating. Uniform granules, fast drying, no undercured pores. Low temp drying locks in rubber quality. 1 batch every 4.4 minutes. 0 white spots inside bales. 18 kilograms around per bale. Sinyoung and Mainland Group working closely. Fine-tune settings and smarter process control. Push output beyond design. Hainan Sinyoung always strives for excellence.